Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to play Snap Marvel or Marvel Snap with your friends. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download this Marvel Snap on your phone. Of course, if you don't have it on your phone, you can download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like to go and open the application which is or the game which is Marvel Snap, and of course you would log in into your account. Of course, if it's your first time using this game, all you need to do just go and create an account. You can even create your account with a Gmail if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating your account, right? So let me just go here and open the game, as you should of course if you want to follow this tutorial steps correctly. So let's just wait for the game until it actually loads to start this tutorial. So I'm just going to cut the recording until the game opens and I'm coming back to you. So here is our game opened right now. So of course, if you want to play with your friends on Marvel Snap, right now it's actually unavailable to do that. They didn't add this in the updates yet, but they are saying they will add this in the future and in the future updates. So maybe if you're seeing this video like 2 or 3 months from now, you will be able to play with your friends. So of course, as I said right now, you cannot play Marvel Snap directly with your friends, but you can actually, I have a trick for you. You can actually like share your screen with your buddies to share your game play experience. So of course nothing stop you from sharing your screen with your buddies to share your gameplay experience if you cannot play the game with them yet, because it's not available at the moment. So of course, if you click here at your profile, you will have just the option of customizing your avatar. If you click here at settings, you will now have the option as well. As you can see, you can just sign in with something, sign out, and etc. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.